So it has been a long time that I have not uploaded any video, because in this lockdown period actually I have no more equipments or electronic gadgets to build, because you know my backups are very limited, and that is the reason I was thinking for some days what I could do to entertain you guys. So this idea came to my mind. I have destroyed my old Oppo phone, and I have a HTC phone and HTC old model. I think this one is the Desire and this one is the HTC 28. So what I was planning is that I will make use of this old Oppo parts and put that in this phone and make this a hybrid phone. In terms of hybrid phone, it means I'll give it a better battery, camera, and speakers. So let's start, and we will use the extra parts from this phone. It is going to be a very tough project, because making connections of the camera is quite tough, but I think the speakers and the battery will be a very easy thing to do. So let's first start with that, and we will check out the camera on the next video. And now it's ready to go. So this one is for my Oppo motherboard. Okay, now we have to do the same thing for the HTC, for the HTC battery, for the Oppo battery with the HTC connector. I've already done that, so let me show you. So there is the Oppo battery, but the phone is HTC and the connector is replaced just like that. You can see. Now we have to bypass the speaker wires and utilize this space. Like you can see that in the old HTC phone it was taking up the whole space. Okay, but now we have a lot of space right here. The dimension is 0.8 centimeter by 7 centimeter. The dimension is 0.8 centimeter by 7 centimeter. So I can utilize this space with okay. So as you can see, they can fit in this area nice and tight. Okay, so what I have to do is take apart this old HTC phone, take out the speakers and put them in line right here. It would have been better if I could have utilized this old Oppo phone speaker, but it's quite bigger, as you can see. So let me put back the speaker in place, set it aside, and let me tell you that it's working. In case you guys think that it's not working, let me switch it on to show you that it's actually working. See, it's working. So let me keep it aside and take apart this old HTC phone. Now taking apart this old HTC phone is very tough, because I don't have the right screwdrivers for it. I have made a homemade one. Let's see if it works. Okay, so one here and the other one here. That's how it's gonna work. So let me zoom right in. Let me just give you a review of the sound quality before we actually add the speakers, so you can actually compare between the previous and the previous state of the phone and the modified state. So let me choose a song. So that's how it sounds like. Now we'll add the speakers later. So now it's time to test the final product. Okay, so this was all for today, and thank you so much for 200 subscribers. It means a lot to me, and I hope that this 200 subscribers will reach 1000 soon. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to all your friends and those who are interested in this kind of videos, and see you next time. Bye.